Hi, this is a quick start guide for 31 Sass, a Next.js boilerplate to help you build sleek and modern Sass. After your purchase, download the source codes from the GitHub. Run npm and install command to install all the dependencies. Once that's done, run npm run dev to compile the demo Sass. Launch the URL, and you should see the demo product. You can easily update the source codes and build any functionality that you wish in your product. The codes comes with built-in blogging functionality. Editing blog is a breeze. Just update the MDX file inside content folder. Global CSS file resides inside Style folder. You can customize the styling of the entire site here with Tailwind CSS. To use the demo functionality completely, you need to set up the environment variables. Copy the example file and name it as env local. Check out the documentation on how to retrieve all the variable values. Once you fill up the variables, restart your localhost. And you now can use authentication as well as the rest of the functions provided in the boilerplate. Sign up a new account. After the account creation, it will take you to the dashboard, which contains of some useful functionalities. There are CRUD functions that allows you to create, read, update, and delete. Submitting an edit applies the update instantly on the front end. There is also a restricted page that prevents access by non-paying customers. It has settings that let you change profile name. The billing section has been integrated with Stripe. It detects which plan the user is currently under and redirect to Stripe to either check out or upgrade. These are some key functionalities provided by the code. You can uncover numerous other features within the codebase. Check out the documentation for more details. Thank you for watching. If you build something using 31 Sass, let me know. I'd love to see what you build.